Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create this stunning biryani poster in Photoshop from scratch. I'll reveal every tool, effect, and shortcut I use, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started! Create a new Photoshop document. Set the width to 2000 pixels and the height to 2000 pixels, and resolution 300. Then click Create. Now, select the Rectangle tool and click once anywhere on the canvas. Set both the width and height to 2000 pixels, then click OK to create a perfect 2000 by 2000 pixel rectangle. Go to the Layers panel and delete the second layer. Open the Gradient Overlay settings. Set the Blend mode to Normal, Opacity to 100%, Angle to -45 degrees, Scale to 150%, and click OK. Go to the Layers panel and double-click the Gradient Overlay layer name to Background, then lock the layer. Select the Type tool, T, and type Delicious Biryani. Click the text and press Ctrl+T to enable Free Transform. Increase the text size and press Enter. Hold Alt and drag the text to create a copy. Move the duplicate to the right. Create another copy and place it in the center. Create one more copy and move it to the right. Go to the Layers panel and select 4 text layers. Press Ctrl+T, right-click inside the transform, choose Rotate 90 degrees, and press. Select the Move tool. Go to the Layers panel, right-click the 4 text layers, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the text according to your design. Select the Move tool, go to the Layers panel and select the layer. Change the Blend mode to Soft Light, then reduce the opacity to 20%. Select the Rectangle tool and set the color to yellow. Click once on the canvas. Set the width 2677 pixels and height 825 pixels. Choose From Center and click OK. Select the Move tool. Press Ctrl+T and rotate and adjust the rectangle according to your design. Select the Move tool and lock the rectangle layer. Unlock the Delicious Biryani layer, duplicate it, and move the duplicate above the rectangle layer. Right-click the Delicious Biryani layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Lock both Delicious Biryani layers. Create a new layer, then select the Brush tool. Set the hardness to 8% and the flow to 67%. Choose the desired color and paint on the right corner. Select the Move tool, V, change the blend mode to linear light, and set the opacity to 40%. Go to the top menu and click File. Select Place Embedded and import the image into Photoshop. Select the Move tool. Change the blend mode to Color Dodge and set the opacity to 50%. Go to the top menu and click File. Select Place Embedded and import the chicken image into Photoshop. Select the Background Eraser tool. Set limits to Discontiguous and tolerance to 50%. Hold and click on the background colors around the chicken to remove the background. Adjust the chicken image according to your design. Select the Type tool and click on the canvas. Set the font size to 24 points, then type Biryani. Change the text color to white. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the text according to your design. Select the Type tool again and click on the canvas. Change the font to Rosalinda Aliamore Regular Type Special Tasty. Change the text color to yellow and adjust the text according to your design. Go to the Layers panel and open the Drop Shadow settings. Set the shadow color to black. Adjust the distance 10, size 10, and spread 8, and click OK. Lock the Special Tasty layer, then lock the Biryani layer. Go to the toolbar, right-click the Rectangle tool, and select the Ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse on the canvas. Set the color white. Adjust the ellipse according to your design. Select the Move tool, then select the Type tool and zoom in to the required area. Click on the canvas and text size 4 points and type the text free. Then select the Move tool and position it. Hold Alt and drag the text to create a duplicate. Move the copy and change the text to Home. Change the text color to gray. Create another duplicate, change the text to Delivery, and adjust its position according to your design. Go to the Layers panel and create a new layer. Move the new layer below the chicken image layer. Select the Brush tool and open the brush settings. Choose a brush, set the color to black, and paint beneath the chicken PNG to create the shadow. Select the Move tool and lock the shadow layer. Zoom in to the bottom right corner of the canvas. Select the Rectangle tool and click on the canvas. Set the width to 293 pixels and the height to 87 pixels, then click OK. Round the rectangle corners, change the color to gray, and position it according to your design. Lock the rectangle layer. Right-click the Rectangle tool and select the Ellipse tool. Click on the canvas, set both the width 65 pixels and height 65 pixels, then click OK. Change the color to white, select the Move tool, and position the ellipse according to your design. Import the arrow icon and place it inside the white circle. Adjust its position according to your design, then lock the arrow layer. Select the Type tool and click on the canvas. Set the font to Monsart. Set the text color to white, the font size to 2 points, and type Call Now. Select the Move tool. Position the text according to your design, then press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Zoom out to view the full poster. Then zoom in to the bottom left corner. Import the call icon and position it according to your design. Select the Type tool again. Choose the straight black font. Type 80679036888. Change the text color to gray and position it according to your design. Hold Alt and drag the text to create a duplicate. Move it below, replace the text with your website address, change the text color to white, and adjust its position according to your design.
Now, quickly add 2 heart icons, one on the left and one on the right. Then add 2 chili icons, placing one on the left and the other on the right. And that's it! Our chicken roast poster is now complete. Let me know what you think of the final design in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!